Hey everyone. So today I'm going to tell you a connection between orthogonal matrices and the mutually orthogonal vectors. So when I recorded the lecture on inner product spaces, and when we saw the inner product on matrices, and separately we also saw the notion of orthogonal matrices. So one of my friend, I will say our colleague, asked me that is there any connection between them, orthogonal matrices and mutually orthogonal vectors? Answer is no. Okay. So orthogonal matrices may not be mutually orthogonal. And similarly, mutually orthogonal vectors need not be orthogonal matrices. Okay, so let me give you examples for both the ways so that you will see that there is no connection between them. Now we have already seen that any 2 cross 2 matrix, orthogonal matrix, is of the form is either a rotation or a reflection, cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. So this is a rotation matrix. I will post the link in the description so that you can go through it. So I know that this is a orthogonal matrix. Okay, but even before that, what do you mean by orthogonal matrix? So if you have a matrix A, square matrix, if you multiply by its transpose and if you get the identity matrix, then we call such a matrix to be an orthogonal matrix. That means what? What is the inverse of A? Inverse is nothing but A transpose. So this is the inverse of A, because after multiplying with A, we are getting the identity matrix. So what are the examples of orthogonal matrix? So as I wrote earlier over here, the rotation matrix, if I take theta equal to pi by 2, so if I take A is equal to 0, 1, minus 1, 0, if I take theta as minus pi by 2, 0, minus 1, 1, 0, are the orthogonal matrix? What is A into A transpose? 0, 1, minus 1, 0. Those who don't know, they can cross check. That's why I'm doing this. So what is this? 0 and 1, 0, 0, 1. Similarly, you can check for B as well. B into B transpose is also identity. But are the matrices A and B orthogonal? Answer is no. When you say they are orthogonal, if their inner product is 0. Is the inner product 0 for this two? Let's check it out. So what is inner product? It is trace of AB transpose. So what is AB transpose? Or it's nothing but the component wise multiplication, right? So what is this? This is 0 into 0, 1 into minus 1 minus 1, minus 1 plus 0, minus 2. And as you can see, this is non-zero. So since the inner product is non-zero, therefore these two matrices are orthogonal matrices, but they are not mutually orthogonal. And what about the other way? If you have mutually orthogonal vectors or the mutually orthogonal matrices, are they orthogonal matrices? No, there is no connection. So as you can see, X and Y are two matrices. If I take the same inner product, which is trace of AB transpose, trace of XY transpose or X transpose Y, all are the same thing. This is nothing but the component wise multiplication. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. Or you can explicitly find X, Y transpose, do the multiplication, find the trace, answer will be 0. Okay. So we have seen this, that the trace is this, trace of this is nothing but you do component wise multiplication in my lecture on inner product on matrices. Okay. So these two are what? Mutually orthogonal matrices. They are mutually orthogonal. But are they orthogonal matrices? No. Because what is A into A transpose? It is not identity. I won't do calculation for you. You can have a look. And what is B into B transpose? It is also not identity. Okay, so vectors may be orthogonal, may be mutually orthogonal, but they need not be orthogonal as a matrix. Okay, so don't get confused if someone asks you such tricky questions. Okay, so I hope you understood this example. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you like this lecture, then yes, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.